Hey, it's me, Brooke. I got my Zyia Active Wear. This is my starter kit, and I want to share it with you. I haven't even opened it yet. I'm really excited. This is what I got when I started doing a Zyia Active selling. Zyia Active is a action wear company. So I opened the kit, and the first thing I see is this. One more rep. They got me. It's a little bag. It's adorable. It's really sweet. Got that. Oh, I got a hat. So this is the Zyia hat. Oh, I'm really excited. Everything is wrapped in these little bags. I'm gonna open my bag. Oh, these are the pants. So these have little pockets. Pockets are great. They have an elastic waist. Not this high. They got the pockets. Oh, I might have to try them on. Yay! And these for me are extra large. I'm gonna put them back in the bag. I like these bags. These are really, they look really professional. Let's see what this one is. Oh, these are great. These also have pockets, and this is a size large. So I have these are the light and tight capris, and they have pockets, and they're more than a capri. And I've got really long legs, but they hold you right around your belly button, and they go a little lower than mid-calf. I really love them. So these are the black pocket, light and tight, high-rise capris. This I got also in large. This is our radical jacket. It's radical. It's a zip up. It has these thumb holes. It's got a tie, so you can tie it at the bottom. Let's see if this fits. Oh yeah. I also have really long arms. This fits. Yay! Oh great, so you can wear this to the gym, doing your thing. It's got pockets here. I like it. This is nice. So this is a large. It has a hood. I think we also have it in black and white as well. And this is our bomber bra. And I love this. And I think this might be a nude. It has this little detail on the back, these sweet little stitching. And the front, they have these breast pads that you can take out if you want, or you can keep them. They have a wide elastic here, and this is size large. I love it. And this is our bomber bra. Look at this. This is beautiful. It's a huge packet. This is all the business supplies. We've got stickers. We've got one more wrap. What are these? These are little brochures. And then we've got a starting guide. So I can read this and say, oh, I gotta figure out how to do this. This is great. These are order forms. And then we've got all these. These are all catalogs. Yay! So I gotta check out a catalog here. Have you ever seen a catalog? Neither have I. I'm all new. It's all new to me. Here it is. It's really well done. Light and tight leggings. Oh, this is the jacket. This is the jacket I got. The bomber jacket. Free Zyia products. Ooh. Oh, these are great. Zyia, and we also have men's clothes as well. And we've got copper charge tank, which is great. It's a tank that has copper in it, so it's not stinky. Stink-free, anti-chafing, odor blocking. These are the bras. Awesome, this is awesome. I have all kinds of cool business supplies. I can't wait to show you. Take care.